Nestled amidst the vast expanse of the North Atlantic Ocean, the Faroe Islands are an archipelago of rugged beauty and captivating charm, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. These 18 volcanic islands, intricately linked by tunnels and ferries, offer an escape into a world of dramatic landscapes and unspoiled nature, where every turn reveals a new breathtaking vista. Imagine towering cliffs plunging into the sea, cascading waterfalls that seem to flow from the heavens, and verdant valleys dotted with colorful houses that add a splash of life to the serene surroundings. This is the Faroe Islands, a place where nature's raw power and serene beauty coexist in perfect harmony. Prepare to be mesmerized by the raw power and serene beauty of this extraordinary destination, where every moment feels like a scene from a dream. The Faroe Islands have a rich history and a vibrant culture that is deeply intertwined with the land and sea. Once a Viking settlement, the islands have retained their Norse heritage, evident in their language, traditions, and folklore, which tell tales of ancient times and heroic deeds. The Faroes people are known for their warm hospitality and deep connection to their natural surroundings, living in harmony with the land and sea that sustain them. Explore ancient villages, listen to captivating legends passed down through generations, and witness traditional dance performances that offer a glimpse into the soul of the Faroes, a place where history and culture come alive. Prepare to be awestruck by the sheer magnificence of the Faroe Islands' natural wonders. This remote archipelago, located in the North Atlantic Ocean, is a treasure trove of stunning landscapes and untouched beauty. From towering cliffs to hidden coves, every turn reveals a breathtaking vista. The rugged terrain and dramatic coastlines create a sense of adventure and wonder. One of the most iconic sights is Múlafossur Waterfall, cascading dramatically into the ocean near the village of Gsadalur. This picturesque scene is a perfect blend of natural beauty and serene village life. Hike to the top of the cliffs for panoramic views that will leave you speechless. The effort is well worth it as you are rewarded with sweeping vistas of the ocean and the rugged coastline. Another must-visit is the island of Mykines, a birdwatcher's paradise. Here, you can observe a variety of seabirds in their natural habitat, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. Take a boat trip to witness thousands of puffins nesting on the cliffs during the summer months. The sight of these charming birds in such large numbers is truly unforgettable. For a surreal experience, head to Sørvágsvatn Lake, seemingly perched precariously above the ocean. This unique lake, also known as the Hanging Lake, offers a one-of-a-kind view that defies logic. The optical illusion created by the surrounding cliffs is a sight to behold. It's a perfect example of nature's ability to surprise and enchant us with its wonders. The Faroe Islands offer a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Embark on a hiking adventure through rugged terrain, discovering hidden waterfalls and panoramic viewpoints. The well-maintained trails cater to all levels of fitness. For a unique perspective, explore the islands on horseback. Several riding tours offer guided excursions through picturesque landscapes. For thrill seekers, kayaking and rappelling offer adrenaline-pumping experiences. Paddle through narrow fjords surrounded by towering cliffs, or descend waterfalls for an unforgettable adventure. The islands also boast excellent fishing opportunities. Cast a line in the crystal-clear waters and try your luck at catching cod, haddock, or even the elusive salmon. Immerse yourself in the rich culture and traditions of the Faroe Islands. Visit the charming villages scattered across the archipelago, each with its unique character and history. Kirkjubur, a historical village, is home to the ruins of a 13th century cathedral and the oldest, still inhabited, wooden house in the world. Experience the warmth and hospitality of the Faroes people firsthand by attending local events and festivals. The Summer Festival, held annually in Tórshavn, the capital city, is a vibrant celebration of music, dance, and culture. Don't miss the opportunity to witness the traditional chain dance, a captivating spectacle that brings together people of all ages. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary journey through Faroese cuisine, where every bite tells a story of tradition and nature. The island's remote location and strong fishing traditions have shaped a unique and flavorful culinary scene, deeply rooted in the natural bounty of the sea and land. Seafood lovers are in for a treat, with fresh catches like cod, haddock, and salmon taking center stage. The daily catch, brought in by local fishermen, ensures the freshest ingredients. Try the traditional dish, skurpikjut, wind-dried mutton, for a true taste of the Faroes. This delicacy, prepared through a unique wind-drying process, offers a flavor unlike any other. For a cozy dining experience, visit one of the many restaurants serving up local specialties. These eateries provide a warm atmosphere where you can savor the essence of Faroes hospitality. Warm up with a bowl of fish soup, a comforting dish perfect for the chilly island weather. Or indulge in rest, fermented meat, a traditional delicacy that showcases the island's unique preservation methods. Don't forget to sample the local beer, brewed with pure glacial water, and the aquavit, a strong spirit distilled from potatoes or grain. These beverages are a testament to the island's pristine natural resources and innovative brewing techniques. Planning your trip to the Faroe Islands is easier than you might think. The islands are well connected by air and sea. Atlantic Airways operates regular flights from major European cities to Vágar Airport, the only airport in the Faroe Islands. Ferries connect the islands to Denmark, Iceland, and the Shetland Islands. The best time to visit the Faroe Islands is during the summer months, from June to August, when the weather is mild and the days are long. However, be prepared for unpredictable weather year-round. Pack layers of clothing, including a waterproof jacket and sturdy shoes, to stay comfortable in all conditions. The Faroe Islands offer a range of accommodation options to suit every budget and preference. From cozy guest houses to luxurious hotels, you'll find a comfortable base for your adventures. For a more immersive experience, consider staying in a traditional Faroes house or a remote cottage. Getting around the Faroe Islands is easy and convenient. The islands are connected by a network of well-maintained roads, tunnels, and bridges. Car rental is a popular option, giving you the freedom to explore at your own pace. Public buses are also available, connecting major towns and villages. For shorter distances, consider renting a bicycle and enjoying the scenic beauty at a leisurely pace. The Faroe Islands offer an unparalleled travel experience, combining breathtaking natural beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, these enchanting islands have something to offer every traveler. So, pack your bags, embrace the unpredictable weather, and embark on an unforgettable journey to the heart of the North Atlantic. As you explore the rugged landscapes, encounter friendly locals, and savor the flavors of Faroes cuisine, you'll discover a destination that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. The Faroe Islands are a place where you can reconnect with nature, immerse yourself in a unique culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime.